right, I'ma do you right.
Hello guys, this is T715 and welcome to Universe Sandbox Squared. This is a solar system I made with Kepler 1426 at the star at the center. It's not that much larger than our star. It's about 1.02 times the size or something like that. The mass of it. Anyway, so I added a kind of a ring around the star, which I think looks pretty cool. See another one right here. So let's move on to the closest planet to the star, Kepler 62e. I don't know much about it. It has 2 moons around it. I put diagonally right here. I know it's some other planet's moons. I don't actually know from the top of my head. And I just did a random moon here. I actually have no idea what this one is. And for a little size comparison, we'll add our Earth here as well. Oh my gosh, come on. There we go. This is not that much bigger, actually. Let's see. Change that to change the radius to that of Earth. Yeah. Alright. So that's the first one. Go to this one. If you would click. This one doesn't have any moons at all. You can see the star. Oh, right. I should probably zoom out and show you guys the habitable zone. Because. Not chart. Come on. There you go. We'll get rid of orbit. So just look at habitable zone. So some of these planets are actually in the habitable zone, which is pretty cool. Alright, let's go. So this one isn't in the habitable zone. It's a bit too close. How hot is it? Yeah, a bit too hot for life. Alright, so the next one after that is this one over here, I believe. Yeah. This one also has 2 moons. That Phobos, just like Mars' moons, and I can't read what the other one says. Oh, it says Deimos, so it's basically Mars. Let's compare it to Mars, actually. Let's see. Alright, not too much bigger. Now all the planets start to go sort of into the habitable zone. I have no idea what Titan is doing over here. Oh, it's orbit. Is it just? I guess it's just a rogue moon or something. I have no idea. Alright, so we have CROT7b. And this one's cool. Because this one is actually extremely hot right here. You can see where my mouse pointer is. But I put it close enough to where it has an atmosphere. And it's just water. Don't know if there's any land. And it is kind of... it has a good temperature for life at the moment, I think. It's just at the edge of the habitable zone. I think that's what this green means, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's my favorite one. It's kind of, like the Earth. Right here. Kepler 619b. I think it's an exoplanet. I'll slow it down, because it's moving a bit too fast at the moment. We'll put it in real time. So we have this moon right here. I'm gonna get rid of the habitable zone because it's kind of in the way. Let's compare. I'm sure this is a small moon compared to Mercury. Yeah, you should probably compare it to our moon, but it's not gonna be that much bigger. Never mind. I won't worry about that. I don't know why I have Sedna here. I guess I got bored and added that. We'll look at it. I have Sedna with. Oh, what the heck? Oops. I have Sedna right here with this comet orbiting around it, Halley's Comet. I got bored. I made 2 solar systems, and the first one I made, let's just say this star right here, Arcturus, was bigger than the entire system when I got finished with it. And I can show you a star size comparison in a few minutes. I believe we already did this one, right? My phone's going off. I guess people are doing something. Let's see. Yeah, they're just talking. Alright, so this one only has 1 moon. What's next? This one right here. I believe it's a ringed planet, which is pretty cool. Yeah, it's ringed. And it has 1, I think 3 moons I put on it. I don't know. That's cool. Let's compare it to Saturn, actually. The whole set. Nah, we won't worry about that. Let's just compare it. That's Jupiter, by the way. I messed that up. Anyway, the last one, the furthest one, I made a second one, actually, I think. But I forgot to save it, I'm sure. That sounds like something I would do. This one is pretty much like Saturn. Nice, beautiful rings. Really far away from the star. That's the last planet. And then, of course, I added an asteroid belt right at the edge of it, just to make it look better. That's about it. We'll do a chart right here, just so you can do this. So it's this comparison of everything. So obviously, right at the very, very beginning of it, we'll zoom in, we have Halley's Comet. Wow, these get really tiny, actually. And then we have Phobos and Deimos. And we have this moon. I believe that's a moon, I'm not sure. And then Dione, let's go like this. Sedna, don't even know how to pronounce half of these. Why do I have Titan here? I'm honestly confused as to why. I think I had it orbiting a planet, and then I kind of put it in the wrong place. I don't know. Anyway, I like this planet a lot. It's cool. Gas giants out here. And of course the star. That's about it. I already said this. Let's go ahead and open up a simulation where I just made this a few days ago, actually. Like over the weekend. The stars are kind of out of shape, or kind of out of whatever. They're kind of like curved. So of course we have the moon and the Mars, or Mercury. This is the moon. Where'd it go? Let's go. This is Mercury. And then here is Mars, Venus, Earth, Planet 9. Yeah, that's right. I included all the planets in this. Neptune, and then I just did, well, not all the planets actually. Saturn and Jupiter, added the rings around it, because why not? Then we have the Sun. And then we have Sirius A and Vega, right here. And we have Pollux. And here's Arcturus, the one I just mentioned earlier, where the whole star was larger than the system. We have another one. Both these are very famous stars. Arcturus and Aldebaran. We have Rigel right here. I'm going to kind of turn it, because the next star is really large. It's a big step up. Antares. I think I'm saying it right. I didn't put Betelgeuse here because there's no point, actually, because they're roughly the same size. VY Canis Majoris, the former largest star, and UI Scuti. Not even sure if I'm pronouncing the names right, but whatever. Let's go select the star. We'll compare it to Earth right here. We'll put it very close, so you can just see it's ridiculously tiny.